my name's Rob. I'm a teacher at Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói, and my New Year's resolution is to finally try bún đào mắm tôm. Goodbye from Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói. Happy New Year.
Hello.
Can I have one?
Sure, that'll be 100,000.
2,000.
100,000.
20.
Oh, 20. 30. Okay, good deal. Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm an English teacher at Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói, but my boss doesn't give me enough money, so I also sell 𝗕. My New Year's resolution is to sell more 𝗕. So come here to Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói and help me, please. Happy New Year.
My name is Ben. We are here at Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói. My New Year's resolution is to call my mother more often.
Happy New Year! My name is Ryan at Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói, and my New Year's resolution is to travel more and see more of beautiful Vietnam.
That's a good one.
Happy New Year!
Hello, my name is Sebastian and I'm a teacher at Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói. My New Year's resolutions are to wake up early, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, no more waking up at 12. And number 2, stop spending money on stupid stuff. I need to save money so I can get married. And that is it. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Nick. I'm a teacher here at Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói, and my New Year's resolutions are to improve my Vietnamese and to stop eating junk food late at night. Happy New Year!
Hello, my name is Alex and I work in Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói. My 3 New Year's resolutions are to sleep less, read more, and eat hot 𝗕𝗢𝗡. Happy New Year!
Hi guys, I'm Tyler from Tiếng Anh Nghe Nói, and my New Year's resolution is to drink more beer so I can have a big belly and finally have a Vietnamese girlfriend.